Neil Carlson here on the phone with me is Cynthia Borgen, the Public Health Director for Beltrami County. Talk about COVID a little bit here. So first of all, what's happened since the Trump rally in BEMIDJI? Have you seen a spike at all in COVID numbers?
Well, we've seen our numbers have gone up over the last week to 10 days. Whether that's related to any certain event, we're not sure. I mean, we know what people share with us about where they have spent their time prior to being confirmed as a COVID positive case. We did have a local wedding where we've seen a dozen cases cluster, but that would be the largest event that we've seen in this last couple weeks.
Okay. So, but as far as the Trump rally, you don't really know. I mean, have you heard from one or two that said they were there? Or?
Yeah, we've had a couple people mention that they had attended the rally, but again, we only know what people choose to share with us.
Okay. So, how are you doing overall when you look at the whole thing here?
Well, the last couple weeks, our numbers have been higher than they were in following 4th of July weekend, and that was a busy time for us. We had a lot of young adults that tested positive during the latter part of July. Things seem to even out a little bit over August, and then just the last 10 days or so, things have really started popping, and we're seeing cases in the double digits every day.
Okay. So about where are you now with active cases?
So we're just trying to figure that out for the day. Currently, we're looking at 80 to 90 active cases that we've been monitoring this week. Yep. So the schools, we've been working with the schools to help make sure that their planning is in place, and we work with them each day if they identify positive cases among their students or staff, and then work to make sure that they take the appropriate actions. We've not seen any transmission happening in our schools at this time, so we're excited about that. But again, we do have COVID in the community, and it's circulating here. One other thing is we currently have a large testing event happening in the community. We've got the National Guard and the Minnesota Emergency Operations Center have staff up here, and we've been partnering with them on an event that ran Tuesday and Wednesday, and today is our final day from noon to 6 out at our BEMIDJI Armory. And so we anticipate that we certainly will have a bump in cases as those test results are all released, over the next several days.
I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.